Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 6. First, select the new part, then click front plane for sketching. Now, select the center line command and draw a center line from the origin. Then, select the line command and draw a line starting from the origin with respect to the previously drawn construction line. Specify their angular dimension using smart dimension command. Then specify the dimension of the newly drawn line. After dimensioning, now select the center line and draw a vertical line starting from the end of the previous sketch. Now again draw a line with respect to the center line at certain angle. Specify its dimension using smart dimension command, which is angular dimension. Then specify the length of the newly drawn line. After this, the remaining outline 2D profile from the manual can be drawn using line command. Specify their respective dimensions as per the manual. That's it. Our 2D sketch is completed.